Okay, Adi, this is a promise. This is the last attempt. After this, I'm not going to do it. Okay. Hey, hi everyone. I'm Adi Patil from implementations team at ChargeBee. I almost did not do this. This is my fifth or sixth attempt, and I have a meeting to go to right now. But then Madhu kind of motivated me to submit something, and there was a deadline looming, and I thought might as well do it, right? But I'm also inspired by this wonderful quote by Michael Scott. Or shout out to all the Office fans. So he says that you lose 100% of opportunities that you never take. So here I am trying to make the best of what opportunity I have here. So I'm going to do something called a spoken word poem. I consider myself as a closet spoken word poet, if I can call so. I've done this a couple of times in my previous organizations, and it is something that it is quite a phenomenon in US and other Western countries. If you want to hear something very polished, I think you should YouTube Sarah K, Sarahkay. She's amazing. She's truly an inspiration. What I'm going to do today is not really polished. It's very raw. But then it is something that I wrote on the Women's Day recently, and it's a topic that is very dear to me. So here goes nothing, right? Everything in the world is 100x more difficult for women. The prying eyes of lurking men, the unprovoked labels by the society, the need to prove your worth again, and again, the inhibition of expression, ambitions being pigeonholed, the stereotype of being called a nurturing gender, being told to sit in a particular way, to be blamed for a totally irrelevant happenstance, and on and on and on. While a few of these do get addressed by the good people of this world, new items do get added to the list, making all of it a never-ending battle. I cannot imagine how each one of you pull it off with so little support from the world around you. You needn't need courage to lead a normal life. You needn't need strength to dream big. And yet you have to show up every day with all of that and a lot more. I really wish it was easier. I really wish some of the men weren't trash. I wish there were more feminists. I wish people really understood the definition of feminists. I wish equality was more than a nice sounding word. I wish for a better world. While you continue to demand better, I, as a man, can promise that I will try and do better with not just words, but with action. And to fellow men, one ask that I have of you is, by being silent and by being silent to the atrocities that women face on a daily basis, even if you're not the perpetrator, you're being complicit in what's happening. So if you're not a perpetrator, then you need to speak up. And every opportunity let go is something that will come back and haunt us in the future. That's it. Thanks a lot. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Bye bye.